Hi everyone, welcome back to the Review Millennial channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the default browser on your iPhone. So what I mean is, for example, if you open a link from a third-party app, you will be sent to your default browser. Now I have it set on Safari because that is the default browser on iPhone. But if you would like to change it to, for example, Google Chrome, just keep on watching. So firstly, open Settings, then scroll down until you find the app Google Chrome or any other default browser, then press Default Browser App and switch it from Safari to Chrome. Now, if you go back and press on a link, your default browser will be changed to Chrome. Of course, to change it back, just go back to Settings, press Chrome or Safari, press Default Browser App, and switch it back to Safari. Now, when you press the link, you will be sent through Safari. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any of your questions in the comment section down below, and I will happily answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye!